Hi guys. So for my case presentation, it is about a gentleman who is 36 years old. His name is John, and during John's early childhood, he was raised by parents who were both alcoholics. So he didn't have the best parental role models, and he quit school at the age of 14. And when he did, he went to work for his dad, who worked construction. He recalls after work consistent partying. He said it was like one big party. And he also admits to getting involved with several illegal street drugs and being addicted to them. So Jack married at an early age, but he had a son with that marriage. And unfortunately, John also lived a life of crime, and he was incarcerated at the age of 24 and for attempted murder and for armed robbery. During his incarceration, his wife was taking care of his son, but she had a tragic car accident and died. So when John had been released from his incarceration 2.5 years ago, he gained instant full custody of his son. Now John is struggling to learn how to be a good parent, and more so than ever, he's having a rough time with understanding the difference between being the friend as opposed to the dad. Since the child is 13, he's trying to treat him more like a friend, although he's made some progress and doing well at it. But this is where we are. So in this approach, I am going to be using some motivational interviewing and a strengths-based approach with probably some CBT included in this as well, just since some of his past proves that he had some cognitive distortions based on his role models from his parents when he was growing up. So that's it, and I will see you shortly with the case. Thank you.